How to download Instagram Reels. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can download Instagram Reels to your phone's gallery. Let's get started. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. On that note, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your Instagram. Once you are in Instagram, just tap on the reel section or the explore section. You can tap on the reel section and choose that you want to download. So let's say if I want first reel here, I'm just going to tap on the share button, and from here I'm just going to tap on add to story. Now this will take me to my Instagram story. Now what you want to do here is just zoom in and fill the space on the screen. And once you do that, you can just tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on save. So once you do this, it will download the reel from the story to your phone's gallery. But you have to note that uh, the video will be only as long as the story. So if the story is 15 seconds long but the reel is longer than that, only the first 15 seconds of the video will be downloaded. So now that I have opened my phone's gallery, you can see the video has been downloaded from the reel, and it is with the sound as well. So you can see this way you can easily download the reel from Instagram.